I think just the pure number of reconciliations we needed to undertake, a lot of those were carried out using Excel, and we still couldn't drill down to the detail of those transactions, and so therefore we were getting differences each period which we just couldn't identify. So we wanted to find a more effective way of identifying the values at the end of the period. Well, being able to drill down to that real transaction level, and I think because of that we've found anomalies with our POS suppliers and the data that they provide. So it's enabled us to mitigate those risks, to engage with the POS suppliers, mitigate those risks, and to increased our revenue, or protected our revenue in doing so.
I'd say just embrace the change, and whilst it might seem daunting to begin with, you'll find yourself probably a lot happier by the end of it, just by the time you save, and you'll notice how things become a lot easier as time goes on as well.